Okay, so here's the transmitter part of the circuit. So it starts with a 4.5 volt input and it runs through a 10 kilo ohm resistor and then through the mic into ground. So then the output from the mic runs through a 100 microfarad capacitor and then into an amplifier which has a gain of 100 times. The output of that runs through a filter and through a 10 kilo ohm resistor where it meets up with the aux input. So the aux input didn't need to be amplified, so it just runs through a filter and through another 10K resistor and meets up with the mic input. It then goes from there to the summing amplifier, which sums the two signals. Then the output of that goes through the bias T, where it's biased with 9 volts plus or minus 4.5, and then that goes through the laser, and that makes the signal.
This was the receiver circuit that was used for Project 2. Over here we had our photodiode, which took the input from the laser. Then we had a high-pass filter, which then the voltage output here went into 3 parallel non-inverting amplifiers. So we had a 1 kilo ohm running from the negative input of our op amp to ground, and then our RF value was 160 kilo ohms. This created a gain for each op amp of 161, and then the output voltages came together at this node before going into the positive of the speaker, which was also attached to ground. The circuit had 2 9-volt batteries that were hooked up to supply the op amps with positive and negative 9 VCC for the voltage.
This year, we didn't grade anything. Right after school, we said, this is the project, you can get it started. Yeah, I said, from right now, this is project 2, get it started.
I missed that.
Probably. How come we didn't start over? I have my work like a week and a half before the deadline.